Alright, it got pretty windy once we got all the way up here. But after about 4 or 5 transfers, we finally got to almost the top. I could go one more, but as you probably see by the side of my face, it's actually getting pretty close to sunset here. And remember how I was saying in the beginning, our week 13 intro, that there's this tree that's about 20 feet from, probably about 20, 30 feet from the base of the trunk, from the tree that I'm on right now. Well, I'm looking at it, I keep looking at it, I'm like, I really want to think it's possible. So what we've done is I've tried a couple of times to actually try and transfer over there, but each time it's coming up pretty short, or I keep getting caught up on some of the small little branches that are on the really thick trunks over there. As you can see, probably, maybe, I'm not sure. There's a lot of those small branches all over those trunks, especially toward this one right over here. I'm going to just move that branch. Hopefully you can see, hopefully I'm actually focused on it. But there's a lot of small little branches on there. That's the one that I really wanted to get on. I may be looking over on this big right one over here. There's one main anchor point that I'm seeing. But other than that, I mean, it's going to be real hard to get over there. So what I'm going to do is, I think next week, for week 14, that's when I'm going to attempt even more on. I'm going to try to give myself a lot of time for that. And so yeah, that's pretty much wraps up week 13. We did a lot of transferring though. We did, I'd say we did a 180 because we kind of went back and forth in between the these two large trunks that fork from the bottom. We've been doing a lot of going back and forth, especially. So I mean, we did get we didn't do a 360. Well, we got about halfway there, literally. So I'm gonna enjoy the view a little bit more, and then I'm gonna descend and call it a day. And I'll see you next week.